Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another fun weekly stamping collab. Here are the manicures of everyone who joined in this week. I'll have links to their videos in the description box below. Let's begin. For my base, I'm wearing this beautiful bases loaded lacquer. It's called Arizona Fall League and it's from her brand new Tooted and Rebooted collection. It'll be available September 24th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll have all the details in the description box below as well as a discount code you can use if you purchase anything on basesloadedlacquer.com. I found some really cute images on the H la Cosedora Wanderlust stamping plate. This one is in collaboration with Nails Anatomy. I want to start off by doing a simple background before I stamp the image of the Eiffel Tower, so I'll use the H la Cosedora Back to Basics stamping plate, as well as her stamping polish called Kyoto. For the Eiffel Tower, I'll use this Azul Renacer. Since the background image is subtle, I stamped it on a couple more nails. I'll finish off by applying my matte top coat. When the matte top coat dries, you can see the background image a lot better. This is the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!